Hey friends, if you wish to install TeamViewer on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what we have to do. Search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for TeamViewer here and hit enter. Go to TeamViewer remote, click on update or install whatever option you have. Okay, wait for a while and it will be downloaded and installed to your system. It's a fairly heavy file at 104.5 MB, so we will have to wait for a while. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, it's installing now. Once it is installed, you can open it and use it. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.